The EWEADN TK950 wireless mechanical keyboard offers versatile connectivity with its support for Bluetooth, wireless, and USB wired modes, allowing seamless switching between up to 5 devices. Its retro typewriter style with round keycaps and an ergonomic design ensures a comfortable typing experience while maintaining a unique aesthetic appeal. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, the keyboard features a white backlight with 19 preset lighting effects, enhancing both durability and visual appeal. The keyboard's 104-key anti-ghosting technology ensures smooth and efficient typing, making it ideal for both office work and gaming. With compatibility across various operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, the TK950 is a versatile choice for different devices and environments. EWEADN stands out with its commitment to sustainability, offering a 48-month brand support and ensuring high environmental and social standards.